Today we're going to focus on adding multi-digit numbers using a place value chart and using the standard algorithm. This place value chart is what students would have used in third grade, and now we're transitioning them to use the more traditional standard algorithm without the model. We're going to start on the place value chart and we'll model what that looks like in the standard algorithm. So I have both numbers represented on my place value chart. So 4,327 is represented right up here using place value desks, and 2,486 is modeled right here using place value desks. I'm going to start by adding up how many I have in my ones column. So I've got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have a group of 10. So I'm going to bundle that group of 10 and I'm going to move it over into my 10 spot. I'm going to represent that with 1, 10. I have 3 ones left. Now I'm going to show what that looks like on my standard algorithm. So if I do 7 plus 6, I know I have 13. Just like I bundled up here, I'm going to bundle those 10 ones and make 1 10. So now I've represented that I have 1 10 that I've carried over. And then I've got 3 ones remaining. Now I'm going to add my tens column. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've got 1 that I'll put down, and I'm going to bundle 10 of them and move them to the hundreds. So down here, I'm going to say 8 plus 2 is 10, plus the 1 that I had to bundle over from earlier. So I've got 1 10, 2 10s, and 8 10s, and I have 11 10s. So I'm going to go ahead and same thing. I'm going to bundle my 10 10s and make it 100. So if I add my hundreds column, I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 hundreds. Over here, I've got 300 and 100 is 400, plus 400 is 800. And then the last thing we need to do is add our thousands. So I've got 4 thousands, 5, 6, 6 thousands. And down here we have 4 thousands plus 2 thousands is 6 thousands. So my answer is 6,813. 6,813. Now, really important things to remember when you're talking about your standard algorithm is that this number right here and this number right here don't represent ones. When I carry over 10 ones, I'm replacing it with 1 10. So this little guy really represents 1 10, and this one really represents 100. It's important to talk about place value when you're using your standard algorithm.